The affordable options that you see here are conventional loans offered by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, are two GSEs for conventional loans. And what makes them affordable is that they offer reduced interest rates and reduced mortgage insurance for borrowers that are at 80% or below the area median income for the census tract in which the property is located. Now, there are several exceptions to this maximum income restriction allowed. The exceptions are if the property is in a low to moderate income census tract, if the property is in a minority census tract, or if the property is in a disaster area census tract. If it's any of those three options, then you would be able to originate the loan for that borrower without the 80% or below area median income restriction. And whether it's Fannie or Freddie, you can go either to the Fannie geocoder for AMI or the Freddie Mac geocoder for AMI, which is area median income, plug in the property address and see what the area median income is, and if it is in any of the three exception category areas, so that you could eliminate the income restriction. Now, like I did mention, this program does have substantially lower interest rates, mortgage insurance, and also 97% max loan to value. The other thing to consider is that you do not have to be a first-time home buyer to purchase with this option. You just have to meet the income requirements unless it is one of the areas subject to an exception. So let me go ahead and share the options with you that we have for today. First option is for a one-unit property purchase, 3% down. And if you've been looking at interest rates for conventional loans, you will note that these rates are absolutely smoking. You have 5.875 with a lender credit of 0.125 as our lowest cost option, and you have 5.125 at a cost of 2.5 points as our lowest rate option for our 97% LTV purchase here. And this one happens to be Fannie Mae Home Ready. Now we have another Fannie Mae Home Ready option, which is for a 2 to 4 unit property purchase, still at 97% LTV. And you will note that there is not a loan level price adjustment for the 2 to 4 unit property configuration. So again, same rates you just saw, lowest cost option, 5.875 at a cost of 0.125, lowest rate option, 5.125 at a cost of 2.5 points. So now we share the renovation loan option. This one happens to be Freddie Mac's Home Possible Choice Renovation Loan for a purchase with only 3% down. Now, those of you that may not be aware, the renovation loans can be used when purchasing a property that either has condition-related issues that would not allow it to close with a non-renovation loan, or simply the borrower wants to update kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and whatever else they want to do to the property as part of the purchase to make it their dream home. So you are looking at a little bit of an increase in the rate here, 6.625 at a cost of 0.5 point. And you can buy that down all the way to 5.625 at a cost of 2.5 points. But certainly cheaper than using your credit cards to do these renovations after closing. Our next example here is for the rate and term refinance. Right. This is now, please note that there are no cash out refinances for this loan product. Rate and term is the only one. And you will note that 5.875, again, same rate as the purchase, is a lender credit at 0.125, and your lowest rate option is 5.125. So very good options here that are available. Last one I'm sharing with you is manufactured home, right? That can be a little challenging. Well, great news is that this does offer a very competitive option. Typically, for manufactured homes, borrowers do tend to go to FHA, though, although do remember that FHA is a little bit more restrictive in property condition and requirements, including structural engineers inspection reports required from the onset for a manufactured home versus the conventional loan. And these are conventional loans, even though they are a 3% affordable option, they're still considered conventional loans, and they would not require any type of structural engineer's inspection report unless the appraiser makes a note of deficiencies in the foundation when they do the appraisal. So 6.124 is our lowest cost option at par, and you can buy that down all the way to 5.375 at a cost of 2.25 points. So certainly look to the mortgage calculator for all your affordable lending options, as well as non-QM, agency, and commercial.